Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's 10:33. Rain's just subsiding out here on the Grove. It is beautiful. I love how green it is after the rain just stops. We are out here just walking around, me and the dogs. I should have Wilbur out here with us, but I don't. Instead, I have Hank. Hank! Say, hey, pretty boy. That's a good boy. That's our new buddy. We acquired him yesterday from a very nice couple, Dwayne and Denise. I'm not sure I said that correctly. I think I did. Laura and Lizzie went and picked him up yesterday. Was told I need to go out and visit this property because it is exactly like what I want, she says. So I'm excited to at some point in the future get an opportunity to go out there and see what an actual functioning smaller, I don't know the size of them, are they small, are they large, but very nice couple. And we acquired Mr. Hank. Hey, pretty boy. Hi, pretty boy. Donnie's not quite sure yet. Not surprised. Hey, buddy. Hey, bud. Marie could care less. But Hank is our new boy. Believe him to be 2.5 to 3 years. Great Pyrenees Australian Shepherd mix. Whoa, careful, buddy. Oh, look at that big old snail shell. That's a keeper. Hank, where you going, dude? Why do you pull so far for? Oh, we're just out here hanging out. He's getting to know the property. Taking him on a perimeter walk. Minus the far out, because the far out, is way too far freaking overgrown for me right now. I'm out here in boots and shorts, swim trunks, basketball shorts. It's not happening. The dogs want to. If Hank gets a little more accustomed quickly, then he can feel free to join Donnie and Marie on their daily adventures. You know, every day they run off. Every day they come back. They go out, play in the creek, do their dog thing. And they come back, hang out on the porch with the chickens and the pig. I haven't mowed out here in a couple of weeks. Well, since prior to my last video. Everything's getting pretty tall. It's the campground. That honeysuckle. I don't know what's worse, the wild honeysuckle or the kudzu. They're both pretty gnarly. I got trumpet vine everywhere too. I really love trumpet vine, but when it's in a wild setting and it's just running rampant, and then the blackberries and those mimosa trees are beautiful though. Let's see if we can, come on boys, let's go. See if we can get these crepe myrtle in bloom in the video. Yeah, look at that. The kudzu just takes over. Time for some goats. Just getting the coop built. I got a spot getting built. Hey, can we not push me right up against the brush? Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it. Yeah, look at that. Everything is getting grown back up. I keep hearing it's a bad year for snakes. I've still not seen one this season. Last one I've seen was, January or February. No, we already been out there, buddy. I want to come to this set so we can get the flowers. Come here, Bubba. Hank, come on, bud. Oh, you don't like vehicles, though. Come on, bud. We don't hear many cars, but every one we have, he stops to stare at. We're coming, Wilbur. Not the right lighting. I was upstairs. I got some pictures from upstairs. The crepe myrtle are beautiful. We'll get another video when it's sunny out. Good girl, Marie. Who's a good girl? Donnie, are you a good boy? Hank, you a good boy, bud? Come on. Good boy. We're coming, Wilbur. The chickens do not know what to do with Hankster. Come on, buddy. No, 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 no. This way. Come on. Come on. We're going to get wrapped up if you go that way. Come. There you go. Good boy. Hey, Wilbur. Hey, buddy. Hold on, Wilbur. You want back inside, Hank? Huh? You want to go back in, buddy? There you go. He's found himself a spot in the entryway. It's his little spot already. I started building the chicken coop yesterday. The start of it. As you can see, some genius only brought home 3 sheets of plywood for a chicken coop. Because, you know, I've seen a whole bunch of buildings with only 3 walls. Yeah, I know. Oh, hey, buddy. What's up, Wilbur? Is that my little buddy? Oh, you smell horrible right now. You smell like a pig. God. Hi, buddy. Are you hungry? Are you hungry, Wilbur? Yeah? Get your bowl. Get your bowl. Get your bowl then. Bring it here. You're gonna be stubborn right now, huh? Of course you are. You're a pain in the butt. You're stubborn right now, huh? You spent the last couple nights out. Hey, Wilbur. Hey, buddy. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Come here. Are you hungry? Bring me your bowl then. I'll fill it up. Donnie. Yeah. Anyways, if y'all watch this video, thank you for taking the time to watch. I need to mow. I need to clean up the trash too. Darn dogs. Even the chickens drag trash out now. Asses. Need to mow. My mom will be here in... What is today's date? The 5th. So she'll be here in 24 days. Got some mowing to do. I'm going to get an inside video here shortly. I got one spot I'll have to leave off the video because it's not done. It won't be done until my mom and my little sister arrive. But besides that, all I have left is the kitchen in the house. The rest of the painting, texture, wall work, it's all done. I'm so excited. I can see the finish line inside. It's making me happy. And that's why it was time to get out here and start building coops and pins. And, you know, we found Hank from the amazing couple we got him from. Life is... God bless.